In this video, we will show you how ultrasonic thickness gauge TG22 work. To start the instrument, put the battery first. And then press the button until the display activates. Then connect the probe to the device. Next, set the work mode and ensure the correct probe model is selected. Perform the probe zero operation. To ensure the accuracy of the pipe thickness, we use a caliper first to compare the measurements with the results from the ultrasonic thickness gauge. For accurate measurements, select the correct probe. Set the appropriate velocity and choose the pipe type. Lastly, check if the settings are correct. Finally, you can proceed to measure the pipe. Apply a small amount of couplant to the material and press the transducer firmly against the surface. The display will show the thickness. As you can see, the result on the thickness gauge matches the measurement from the caliper. For more information on the ultrasonic thickness gauge available in the Philippines, visit our website at sensors.ph.